Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry describes acrylonitrile as a colorless, liquid, man-made chemical with a sharp onion or garlic-like odor that can be dissolved in water and evaporates quickly. The National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health calls acrylonitrile a toxic, colorless to pale yellow liquid, harmful to the eyes, skin, lungs, and nervous system. NIOSH also reports it may cause cancer. Exposure routes include inhalation, skin absorption, ingestion, skin and/or eye contact, with a level of exposure depending upon the dose, duration, and work being done. Acrylonitrile is used in many industries to make various useful plastics, rubbers, and chemicals. Some examples of workers at potential risk of being exposed to acrylonitrile include the following according to NIOSH. Workers involved in the manufacturing of acrylic fibers and plastics, employees who work in the coatings and adhesive industries, workers in the manufacture of chemicals like adiponitrile, and factory workers producing nitrile rubber products. For the general population, the Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry asserts that unless a person lives near a factory where acrylonitrile is made or near a hazardous waste site that contains it, they are unlikely to be exposed to it. The agency also states that there is evidence that children are much more sensitive to exposure to acrylonitrile than adults. The International Agency for Research on Cancer currently classifies acrylonitrile as possibly carcinogenic. California's Office of Environmental Health Hazard Assessment added it to the list of chemicals known to the state to cause cancer for purposes of Proposition 65 back in 1987. Fortunately, there are published exposure limits from NIOSH and the Occupational Safety and Health Administration meant to protect workers. These are just a few things to know about acrylonitrile and potential exposure risks. To learn more about this or other industrial hygiene, chemical, environmental, health, or safety issues, please visit the websites shown on the screen.
IAQ TV, the place to be.